I work so hard, so why am I still broke? If you felt that, you're not alone. And maybe it's not about how much money you make, but about some habits and beliefs you've had for years without even noticing. Let's talk about it. Hey, I'm Nurhan and welcome to Midnight Thoughts. When we're young, we pick up money habits without realizing. Maybe you saw your parents spending all the money as soon as they got paid. So you do the same. Maybe no one talked about saving. Or you heard things like money doesn't grow on trees or rich people are greedy. These ideas stick in your head and they follow you into adult life. You know that little voice that says you'll never be rich, you're just not good with money. That voice isn't real. It's just something your brain repeats because it feels familiar. Sometimes we push money away without knowing because deep down we don't feel like we deserve it. A lot of us connect money with fear, fear of not having enough, fear of losing it, fear of making the wrong choice. So we end up doing nothing. We delay important decisions like saving, investing, asking for a raise because it feels scary. We spend, we feel guilty, we promise to do better. Then we do it again. Why? Because it's a habit. Your brain just follows the same path every time. Unless you stop and change the pattern, it keeps happening. Subscribing to apps and forgetting to cancel, buying things on sale we don't really need, ordering food instead of cooking again and again. It doesn't feel like a big deal in the moment, but over time, it adds up. Here is what I started doing, and maybe it helps you too. When that voice in my head says, "You can't," I answer, "Maybe I can." I save just a little, even it's $5 a week. I try to imagine my future self feeling confident and calm about money, not stressed or worried. It's not magic, it's a start. So tell me, what's one small money habit you want to change starting today? Leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next Midnight Thought.